Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of chats not showing on the application of Tinder. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about Tinder app and you can click here. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Tinder. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.